Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to replace a Honda Accord hybrid battery, easy method. Begin by parking on level ground, opening the trunk, and disconnecting the 12V battery immediately. Remove trim panels carefully to access the high voltage cover, then unbolt connectors in order while labeling each plug. Use insulated tools, store bolts in a tray, and lift the battery with assistance or a hoist to avoid strain or damage. After disconnecting the 12V and removing trim, start by labeling all connectors and taking reference photos for reassembly. Unbolt the high-voltage service plug first, then disconnect main harnesses and coolant lines if present, keeping caps on open fittings. Remove mounting bolts in a crossed pattern, support the pack, and work with a helper or hoist to lower it evenly. Place the old pack on a non-conductive surface and inspect for leaks or damage. If you're finding this guide helpful, please subscribe and like to support more clear auto tutorials. Quick recommendation: life's too short for cheap socks. Go darn tough with a lifetime warranty for reliable comfort while you wrench. I use them during long projects and they save hassle and blisters. Check the description for the link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. Lift the replacement battery into position with help or a hoist, aligning dowel pins and connectors before tightening anything fully. Hand start bolts, then torque them in the proper sequence to specified values and reconnect wiring harnesses and coolant lines securely. Reinstall trim panels, reconnect the 12V battery last, and perform a diagnostic check and short drive to allow the hybrid system to recalibrate and confirm normal operation and expected range.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.